Hey everybody, this is my weekly video that I've been putting out for the last 21, I think it's 21 videos. I'm up to number 21. I'm Amanda Bridges. This is for everyone or anyone who has been searching for tools to help them in their situation. I was diagnosed with a serious medical issue a year and a week and a day ago, and yet I'm still here. I have not done any chemo in almost a year, and I have not had any surgery, and I haven't done any radiation. So this is my number 21 tool in my toolbox, and my what was Ruby? Number 19. There's Ruby. Maybe y'all can see her. She's coming over to pet me while I'm talking. LOL, that's why she's one of my tools in my toolbox. So number 21 for this week are my fruits and vegetables that I have loaded my diet with. I have a fruit smoothie, usually in the morning, where I put in a blender fresh strawberries, fresh pineapple, and fresh blueberries, strawberries, blueberries, pineapple, and spinach when I have it, and or some mixed fruit if I'm out of my fruit, my fresh produce. I put some frozen fruit that I have thawed out, and I put that in my fruit smoothie. And then I add some fruit juice, and I sometimes put cinnamon powder in it, sometimes put vanilla flavoring. But that's my breakfast, and it's been my breakfast for, how many, let's see, 360 days, or 300 and, oh Lord, however many days, weeks, and months has it been that but that's one of my tools, my fruit smoothie that I drink, and I enjoy that very much. I don't think I'll change that for the rest of my life. And then I'm planning to live on Earth for another 3,700 million years, LOL. Then I have a salad in the afternoon, between 1 and 2 or 3 o'clock. I just do a bag salad from that I can buy at Food Lion at the grocery store. And I just open up the bag and pour it in a bowl. And then I add my other stuff, like some olives and more spinach and some chow. It's like relish. And let's see, what else do I put that's part of my literally daily routine? Pepper, and I don't add any more salt. But I do my bag of salad, or I do maybe some slaw, some cabbage slaw, and put some spinach in that, and that's my lunch for the day. And then sometimes I might cheat, and now that it's been a year, I might make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Shh, oh, don't tell anybody. Oh wait, I'm telling everybody. And or I make some delicious vegetable soup. I love just throwing stuff in a pot and cooking it for 10 minutes and then taking it off the burner and stirring it and then letting it cool down and cook some more for 10 more minutes. And that's my diet now. I have expanded back into, maybe having a hamburger patty or putting some a pack of tuna fish in my salad, or putting some, let's see, what else? Maybe scrambling some eggs with an onion and some spinach in it. But my fresh fruits and vegetables has been my big tool that I've done literally every day, just like thinking of my thoughts, making sure I'm checking my thoughts, and making sure I'm seeing my dog and taking care of her, and I'm out in the sunshine, and I'm looking at the blue sky, and I'm looking at my trees on my property, and I'm feeling good about where I live and what I've been doing for myself, and having God and Jesus in my life, and the Holy Spirit guiding me. So my fruits and veggies are literally what I eat every day. And there you go. So, and it is a little more expensive, but I go to the grocery store now about twice a month, and that's what I buy. It takes about 30 minutes for me to go to the grocery store. I just go through the produce section at Food Lion, then hit the frozen fruits, and then that's what I do. And so that's my tool in my toolbox for this week, number 21, because I've literally made 20 other videos. And so thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate I have one person watching. So thanks Edgy for watching right this second. And there's Ruby, who's irritating me while I'm trying to finish up my video. So that's my tool in my toolkit, toolbox, tool chest, tool life. So alrighty, this is Amanda Bridges signing off. Thanks for watching. And if anybody, you can message me. I have had a couple of people ask me, so tell me specifically what you do with your diet. And okay, you can message me and I'll be glad to tell you what I've literally done for a year. And it's 2:22 that I'm finishing my video. LOL. All right, thanks everybody. Sorry I rambled. Didn't mean to make it this long, but thank you so much. Okie dokie, Amanda Bridges signing off. Bye.